We are already recording our video for the 6th month. I'll update the statistics. And this 6th month, as you can see, we've already hit one take profit. The logs are also a bit different in the new code. As I showed in the previous videos, I've updated the bot and support for OKX has been added as well. The entire system has been updated, refined, and improved. I also have backtest videos in other recordings. Besides Bybit, we now have support for OKX, where it is currently being tested and is working great. At this stage, I want to make an update. Since the strategy was updated for Bybit, which is what I use, the new code has replaced the old strategy. When the new code overwrote the old one, it encountered existing positions and ladders that caused the bot to react differently. As a result, we have lower profits this month. Last month, we had, well, in total, the 5-month sum was $575,000, but at this stage, this month's profit is low, sitting at $4,600. However, since it's a new system, it was expected to be less profitable, and I explained why in the previous videos. It is less profitable because we reduce our margin usage. In the future, we plan to add the wheel strategy, that's one thing, and secondly, we are testing Contra. At this point, Whales has had a rough start unlike Contra. Even though Whales had almost more than half of its trades moving in the right direction, the problem is that except for one or two, none of them reached the full 16% take profit. Mainly what I'm noticing in the Excel file is that when it hits 8%, it moves the stop loss to break even at the entry price and then it drops back down and triggers the stop. There were exactly 4 cases like this where it stopped out at break even and then the price shot up by 20 to 30%. So I'm going to give the well system another month. According to the backtest results, the system is solid and everything is in order. But the thing is, we also have the whale tables here, the actual trades. For example, in this case, it easily took a 16% profit on bank. By the way, if you check the bank chart after that, the price went up significantly. In fact, the strategy exited even earlier in this case. Let me show you. It entered somewhere down here, close to the MAs, and closed the position with a 16% profit. Imagine after that 16% exit, the price went up 600% from the entry while we exited at 16%. What else needs adjustment? There are cases where the price went up, like with GPX for instance. It hit 12%, but then reversed and closed the position at break even. It went up to 12%, but didn't reach 16% to fully close. Basically, unlike the Contra strategy, Wills doesn't have partial take profits, whereas Contra does, and to me, it looks more stable. Besides GPX, we also have the Ergo case, where it went up 11%. I have other similar cases in a separate Excel file, where, for example, the price went past 8%, but then closed at break even with zero loss. The reality is that 16% is not always easy to reach, so the whale system will probably need partial take profits as well. That is what I have in mind. Once the Excel file is filled with trades, I will analyze it and determine exactly what kind of take profits and stop losses are needed. Right now, the profit on the ladder system is reduced because we are using less margin. Once these 2 additional systems are integrated, those who have purchased the full package will likely receive these strategies as well. At the moment, these 2 new systems are being tested, and I am keeping an eye on them. This month, of course, we have lower profits because the strategy changed. After the bot update, it encountered different ladders and conditions, so the new system adjusted accordingly. So for this month, we only have $4,600 in profit, which I will add here. I talked about these strategies in more detail in previous videos, and you can check them out. Here are the Whales trades, and I keep Contra separate. Contra is doing fine, at least for now. It trades on partial take profit modes. And even though these 2 systems have been running for less than a month, thanks to Contra, they are both profitable together. Whales started off with straight losses, but let's wait and see how it plays out in the next videos. The website has also been updated as I showed you in the previous videos. You can see the balance growing steadily. That's about it. Go ahead and check out the previous videos to stay updated.